what's going on, guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how I was able to increase one of my Maps clients 488% in just 5 days. Watch this! Hey, what's going on, guys? So in this video, I want to show you how I was able to rank a client and increase his traffic by 488% just by examining his category in the GMB and optimizing his site for that keyword. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, and most importantly, if you use this example, how you could do it for your site. All right, guys, so I have a client that is a chiropractor. He was trying to rank for the keyword lower back pain in Los Angeles. And when I looked at the categories, I noticed that the category for that keyword was pain management physician. And when I looked in his GMB, he didn't have that as a GMB category. So the only way that Google will rank you for that keyword, lower back pain Los Angeles, is to have pain management physician as one of your GMB categories. So in the next slide, I'm going to show you what we did. All right, guys, so in order to get ranked for that keyword lower back pain, we needed to have a page on our website that associated our business with pain management physician. So we created a page on our website, and this is the page that we created. If you check out some of my other videos on content creation, it's basically the steps that we used. Basically, what you want to do is you want to answer all the questions that a client may have in regards to pain management physician or lower back pain, and you want to answer all the questions regarding that. So we wrote about a 1,000-word article, 700-word article, and that's how we were able to get noticed for lower back pain in Los Angeles. Okay. So the next thing we did, guys, is we created several posts this week on the keyword lower back pain Los Angeles. And I'm showing you the live post that we have. Now in the post, we included the keyword on the image, we included the logo, and we included the NAP. And the NAP is the name, address, and phone number. In the post, we created a post specifically on lower back pain Los Angeles. We spoke about 50 words on that post. We included the NAP on that post, and then we also included his Facebook page and a link to the map. All right, guys, so what you want to do is on that pain management physician page, you want to add a link on that page back to your lower back pain page on your website. So on your GMB category page, you're trying to rank for lower back pain Los Angeles. So you want to create a link going back to that page, because what happens in the GMB results, it will say something to the effect of this site mentions lower back pain, or it'll say this post, they created a post about lower back pain. The post mentions lower back pain, or there's a review about this client about lower back pain. So you want to make sure that you have all bases covered. The first thing you want to do is you want to make sure on your GMB category page you have the keyword. You want to make sure on the post that you've created several posts that have the keyword. And then what you want to do is get several reviews throughout the next couple of weeks using the keyword, which is lower back pain and geo. If you do that, I guarantee you're going to move up several places in the maps listing, right? You need to show it on your website, show it on your Google post. You need to show it in your reviews and show it on your website. And I said website already. And make sure that you have the proper category. So if you're trying to rank for a keyword and you notice that your competition has that category, you need to make sure that you have that category in your Google My Business. If you don't, add the category and create a page on your website for that category and use the keyword on that category page. Right? All right, guys, so I hope this video helped you. I know it's going to help improve your rankings. It's something that you could do yourself. It's totally actionable. Totally actionable. You type in a keyword, you see what category other clients, your competition is ranking for. See if you have that category in your Google My Business. If you don't, add it. Once you add it, create content on your website about that category and sprinkle in your keywords. Link back to that specific page. Then create some Google posts using that keyword. Get some Google reviews. And you're set to go. You're set to go. You're set to go. One of the other things you may want to do is you may want to create a YouTube video. So if I wasn't ranking for that keyword, maybe what I would do is I would create a YouTube video called Pain Management Physician, and I would link back to that page in the description to the Pain Management Physician page to strengthen it up a little bit. That would be a good thing to do. And if you want to build some backlinks to your pain management physician page, that would be a good idea. So, but just by doing what I said is going to increase your rankings. Guaranteed, it's going to increase your rankings if you just do what I say. All right. So that's why I give those examples in my video, so this way you could see that you could do it yourself. All right. So, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get my subscribers up to 5,000 by March 1st. I think I have around 3,700. So if you stuck around this long, just subscribe. Definitely like the video, and if you'd like, you could please share it. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me at brettmoletta@gmail.com. I'll be very happy to answer any one of your questions. You could also leave a question in the comment section below, and I always answer all my viewers. Anybody that has questions, I always answer any question that anyone has. This way I could help them. And please take care of your family. Throw out the garbage. Make the bed. Take out the dog. Feed the dog if you have a dog. And take care of your family. Kiss your wife. Kiss your husband. Tell them that you love them. And until tomorrow, thank you very much for watching today. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye.